How to fix game or program not using GPU or graphics card in Windows. This is super simple, so let's dive right into the video. First, open your settings. Type settings in the search bar and open it. Once you are in the settings, go to system on the left hand side. Then click on display and scroll down to find graphics. Here, you will see a list of programs or games. If the program or game you want isn't listed, you can add it manually. Click add an app and then browse to locate the game or program on your PC. Most of the time, it will be in your C drive. So, navigate there, go to program files and find the folder for your game or program. Look for the .x file, that's the one you need. Once you've added the program or game, select it from the list and click options. Here, you can choose between your available GPUs. Select high performance. To insert game or program, uses your powerful GPU. Finally, click save to confirm the settings. Now, when you start the game or program, it will run using the high performance GPU. And here we go. Now you know how to fix a game or program not using your GPU or graphics card in Windows. This is all what you need to know. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you want more tutorials like this.